to another series of affordable, sexy, see-through, lucky color lingerie for 2022. First lingerie mga kadangs is a purple, lacy, and see-through lingerie that is very affordable and sexy. So we got here a velvety lacy tie-side design lingerie mga kadangs. Second lingerie is colored green, sexy G-string, see-through lingerie that is also very affordable and super sexy mga kadangs. It has an embroidery design that is very nice and very elegant to look at mga kadangs. Look at that embroidery design which is flower. OMG, so very nice design of a G-string lingerie and super sexy.